Hi everyone, my name's Jo, and in this video I'm going to take you through a little sequence of footwork, and the idea of this is that it will give you a chance to practice some of the different rhythms, give you a chance to mix them up a little bit, and give you a little drill that you can just sort of practice at home by yourself. You might want to do a minute a day while you're waiting for the kettle to boil, brushing your teeth, whatever it is. The more that you can get these sorts of slightly more complex versions of the footwork into your muscle memory, then the easier all of the rest of your dancing will be. So I'm going to start. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to do this with my back to you so that you can see. The idea is we're going to do this sequence on both feet to practice both the lead and the follow versions. I'm going to start with the follow version. So my weight is in my left foot. This starts with 2 sets of an 8 count basic. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next thing we're going to do is add a turn. So we're going to do rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. We're going to do that twice. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. Next we're going to add a stomp off kickball change. Anyone who's done the shin sham should be familiar with this one, and it goes stomp off, kick, step, step, or ball change. Stomp off, kick, ball change. So this one's a little bit more complicated. You might need to practice a few times to get the hang of it. Some key things are to keep a little bit of relaxed feeling in your legs. If you've got like dead straight legs like this, it's going to be super difficult. So you want a little bend in the knees, and it is stomp off. So it's like the rock step, but we're going forwards. Then it's kick, step, step, or sometimes called kick, ball, because I'm stepping into the ball of my foot. Change back to the other foot. We're going to do 4 of those stomp off, kick, ball change. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we should be back on our left foot again. The next thing that we're going to do is a simple turn on the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that should take us back to the full phrase. All right, let's try it with some music. Basic. Number 2. Adding the turn. And again. Kick or change. Turn on the spot. And again. Other side. Number 2. Adding the turn. And again. Stomp off, kick or change. Turning on the spot. Again. So pick a song. You could try fast tempos, slow tempos, practice at home, have a great time, but the more that you do any of these footwork drills, the better all of the rest of your dancing will get. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.